What the? Duncan? Beth. That's 1 vote for Duncan, 1 vote for Beth. 1 more vote for Duncan. Another 1 for Duncan. That's 3 votes for Duncan and 1 vote for Beth. That's another vote for Beth. That's 3 votes for Duncan, 2 votes for Beth.
Hurry it up!
I will not let you spoil the nail-biting tension I am deliberately weaving here. That's 3 votes for Beth, 1 vote for Explosivo.
Boom boom!
Fine. The Season 2 Total Drama winner is...
Virginia, until 11:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 10:08 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, NWS Doppler radar indicated a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado near Lone Oak, moving east at 25 miles per hour. Other locations in the warning include, but are not limited to Sherrard, Moundsville, MCMECHEN, Glendale, Shadyside, Bel Air, Glen Easton, Lone Oak, Cameron, Rocklick, Rierson Station, Buzz. In addition to the tornado, this storm is capable of producing 1-inch hail and destructive straight-line winds. Please report severe weather to the NWS by calling toll-free 1-877-633-6772 when you can do so safely. The safest place to be during a tornado is in a basement. Get under a workbench or other piece of sturdy furniture. If no basement is available, seek shelter on the lowest floor of the building in an interior hallway or room such as a closet. Use blankets or pillows to cover your body, and always stay away from windows. If in mobile homes or vehicles, evacuate them and get inside a substantial shelter. If no shelter is available, lie flat in the nearest ditch or other low spot and cover your head with your hands. Please report severe weather to the NWS by calling toll-free 1-877-633-6772 when you can do so safely. And